Hi, today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on Audacity. I'm going to show you how to record a basic audio track, and then I'm going to show you a little bit of editing, how to cut something out and how to add something back into your audio. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to set your project rate, and this is the quality of the sound of your audio. So I have it set to 4400, and now I'm going to record. But the first thing you want to do before you record actually is to make sure your playback device is set to your headphones, which you will have plugged in before you start recording. And this is because if you don't plug your headphones in, then you'll get an echo of what you're saying back out loud when you're recording your audio. Alright, so let's do some recording of some audio. Okay. So I'm gonna let it run for a bit, and then we're gonna play with it. Okay. Hello. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, now let's say you don't want to edit your audio. What you can do is you just go to export, and then you choose WAV or MP3, and then you just name it, and then you place it wherever you want. So let's do test. Okay. And then you have to do the metadata. So let's say SupremeRumHam. Okay. And that's it. But let's say you want to, I don't know, add a sound effect. So what you're going to do is you're going to listen to your audio, and then you're going to pick a spot where you want to add your audio. So let's say I want it here. I'm going to grab some audio. Actually, I'm going to copy and paste this part right here, and then we picked our spot right here, correct? So you're going to go to you're going to go to edit. You're going to go to clip boundaries, and then split. And then you click these arrows here, the time shift, and then you separate it. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the thing that you copied or the audio that you imported, and then you're going to add it back in. Now, the next thing you do is you move your audio, and this way your audio will now play one at a time. So it'll play this one, and then it'll play this one, and then this one. So let me see if I can play it for you guys, just to show. Hello. Okay. Let's do some recording of some audio. Okay, let's see. Hello. Okay. So this is when I was saying hello, and now it's at the beginning instead of in the middle. Okay. And this is how you're also going to add your intro music and other things. You can also have them overlap as well. So, see, I play it from the beginning. Okay. Play it from the beginning. Hello. It's overplaying. Okay. I think that's enough. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching.